Looks like a new 7 train. I am in New York City. Brother, you're here. Finally. Now I don't have to work anymore. So hard. What? You don't have to work anytime? No. You still have to help. I still have to work, but you're gonna help me. Oh, cool. Are you super speedy? Of course I am. I'm a 7 diamond. Oh, wow. This is my friends, Q and E. Nice. And Q and E, this is 7 diamond, my brother. He knew me, but then he died and he came alive and hot everything I could do, right? What's that sound? I don't know. Oh, guys. Yeah? Do you know the new R train is coming too? It is? What's that in the sky too? The R train, my brother. New York City. Brother, you're here. What's up, best friend? What's up? Oh, hi, brother. Okay, in the back.